Are you me a talk to Sanga? Sanga, are you me a talk to? Now, you know say, St. Vincent ain't gonna do better until you let go or you're dead, my youth. Because you are the most evilest thing in a St. Vincent and mash it up. And you nah give the people them no break. Since them kill Dutchy, you kill off all sort of innocent people. And that me I go talk about. You, pussy old Sanga.
We pledge ourselves
Others lose
to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban on a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness.
Feel like off the plane. Even though it's trade or symmetry, I ain't really paid. Rip my life, rip my life. You and Andy Cap Julian, all you mash up the line. Rip my life, rip my life. You and that thief man Julian, all you mash up the line. Oh, rip man, you rip man. You and criminal Julian, all you mash up the land.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I want to send big shout out to all the subscribers then. See, Mama Nanny, big up yourself, cause you don't know. The struggle is real, enough people here help Mama. You understand? Just go and stay on a positive vibe. You understand? Cause your strength up there. Now, we want to talk about Sanga. Because me talk about everybody else, but me not talk about that boy Sanga. Now, for those of you who is in St. Vincent, you all know say Sanga him run the beehive or the beehive. And you know say Sanga him send out enough of the youth them to do work for him. And then him kill off the same set of youth them. Everybody knows that. Now, Sanga them or Sanga pick war with certain people. And him have to know what him a do. Because you can't threaten people, you can't kill people family and expect say yo, you have a happy day, my youth. So me I tell you this, you see all of your plans where you plan, if you go foreign and them thing there, me I watch your every move, my youth, and me know everything you do. I true me don't want to talk certain things, you understand? But you see you, Sanga, me I watch your every move. You see all the message them you send. You see all the young youth them you corrupt. You see all the youth when name soup. Wanna deal with him. Enough youth to deal with fuck up, you know. But the youth them done see it and them feel like them not have nowhere to go. Well, countryman, me dep on your case, Sanga. Sanga, you see all them people here where you see in front of you on the screen. You dey behind them debt. You corrupt the youth them. Monty, Elax, the youth there come from a good family. And you corrupt the man, dog. All of the little youth them round you. before you give them on them ideas of to create money, legit money, what you do? You corrupt the youth them with peer fuckery. Now, me hear some things about it, dog. Now, this youth here, Sanga, him is a super criminal, you know. When me say super criminal. Him, you see, if you there at St. Vincent and you make a little bit more money than him, he might try to get rid of you. He might work with the police. And when me hears about that boy, the police, them a guard him, you know. And me hear say this a come down from the higher heads. Because you know, say, him have the Prime Minister number and speed dial. So him can't get stopped right now by a police or whatever. And just call the Prime Minister. And everything is everything. What kind of life that for the rest of people them? When you have gangster like this boy, I run up and down all over the place. The man have all crack house. Him have the biggest crack house in St. Vincent. Police know, but them nah stop it. You understand? Somebody tell me say the other day them see Sanga and a police a guard him in and out of the different little hotel them, and when you see him, a police a guard him, and him have one bag of hungry belly man round him. But enough of the youth them who they round Sanga, them don't know what Sanga is doing, you know, and Sanga nah tell them the truth. But when me ever tell them say, you need to leave Sanga company, you need to shove him out, leave him company, because him nah be honest with uno, and him not care about nobody but himself. You see say right now, him on him way fi blow out of St. Vincent and go to one foreign country, you know. But him think me no know which country ma go. But me nah go make you no wiser. Me a wait till you leg go. Then me a go make you know, say yo, me know everything. But beyond that, what really scary about that youth here is the fact, the unequivocal protection of this man have, you know, throughout the whole country, you know. Him can kill a man right now in front of everybody, and him nah go to jail. Me know for a fact, say, you see the last 3 to 4 murder, it's alleged from the grapevine on the ground that Sanga have a major role to play in that. He might try look for certain people, and through him can't find the bad man them and the gunman them, him just a kill people at random in a St. Vincent. At that a go on, there is no order. Him are the law and order. You understand? But it seems like the youth here Sanga trigger off a revolution, because me I tell you now, the youths them in a St. Vincent, they must stand up to him, and they must stand up to certain government element where I work with the gang them. I just that more of the people them to know. A time when they rise up and stop afraid of the police them and them idiot gang member. Now, you see the opposition, I'm talk about this already. The opposition a big tomato, because him should have motivate the youths them And I show the youths them, say listen, we can make this place a better. Support me, the opposition. But the opposition now do that. All him do him fly go Canada, carry home, this, that, 3 months a Canadian citizen. You might talk about the wrong issues. Yo, opposition. You see, if you want to win the election, you have to talk about the right issues. And one of the issue is you have a prolific rapist running on a country. Big disrespect to all the females them. Big disrespect to all the women them in the country. You understand? So opposition, a them language that you should have talk. If you motivate the youth them, you should have some music or some dancehall music I play. You understand? Some wicked dancehall dub plate. I call up your party name and some wicked soca. You understand? Make the man them drop some dub for you. You understand? You have to motivate the people. And you have to find some money. You understand? And invest in other people them around you, because yo, we don't want a change, you know. But you now move towards the thing. The little thing where you are going with, it now go work. Cause you don't see say Father Ralph, him not play that way there. Him not play fair. So all you know, you supposed to make the woman them know, say listen, a straight rapist, you know, me not even want to talk about no policy, you know. The only policy we want is a policy to get rid of that rapist, yeah. You understand? And that's so you have to deal with the thing. You have to take a little look out of Donald Trump book. You understand? You have to feed the base. We need some red meat. You have to throw some red meat, dog. That's what you need for the opposition. You understand? Because you're a big opposition. And Sanga look like a him at the opposition, and you is nothing. You understand? Sanga I run theme little party better than how you run your party. And your party supposed to be a big party. Yeah, the whole of now old man, you know, we don't need to recruit some young youths in the party. We can move the country forward. You understand? This stronghold, it have to ease up, and I just saw me feel. Yo, me know a song I may talk about, you know, but when me touch upon the opposition in a St. Vincent, me have to really explain how I feel, because really St. Vincent don't have an opposition. You understand? Nobody is coming out to support him. Everybody wants change, but he's not motivating the people them. He's talking about the police commissioner quitting his job. Who the fuck cares about that? We need money. We need economic freedom. We need proper health care. You understand? We need jobs. You understand? We need education for we kids them. Just like you. All of these are the things we need. So anything else, them can't shove it. So my thing is, yo, opposition have to get motivated. And Mr. Sanga, me know where you are going now. You understand? And me have some more things for you. But me gonna do a part 2 for you. And a part 3. And a part 4. But me have some things for you. But before me go, I want you to say hi to your wife for me. You understand? Just say hi to your wife for me. In the foreign country. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.